Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Richard Lake, a peaceful spot tucked into the Greater Kenora region of Ontario. This area is known for its clear waters, rocky shores, and the tall pines that make northwestern Ontario so beautiful. Long before any towns were built, the Anishinaabe people lived here. Over time, the lake became a quiet getaway for fishing, canoeing, and simple lakeside living. In the early 20th century, logging companies moved through this region, but places like Richard Lake were spared from heavy development. Today, it's a hidden gem where you can paddle along the shore and still feel like you have the place to yourself. The town of Kenora is just a short drive away if you need supplies or want to explore more of the Lake of the Woods area. Whether you're here to fish, to paddle, or just to take in the quiet beauty, Richard Lake is a perfect place to slow down and enjoy nature. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Richard Lake, Ontario. Thanks for watching!